nome é João Pedro, tenho 15 anos, sou piloto de motocross.
I saw a photo, you look joyous. My eyes are green. I had to get her out the picture. She's really fucking up my frame. She's not developed like we are.
Like magic, like magic, like magic.
My brother said I'm on the spectrum. Don't call me selfish, I hate shit. The 60-40 isn't working. I want 100 of your time. Please don't leave me now. 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 Please don't leave me now.